equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, gather your tools, a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a microfiber cloth. First, power off your Asus B1502CB and unplug it. Remove the screws from the back panel using the Phillips screwdriver. Keep them in a safe place. Next, gently pry open the back cover with the spudger. Be careful not to damage any clips. Once open, locate the LCD cover. Inspect it for any cracks or damage. If you see any, it's time for a replacement. Carefully detach the old LCD cover. Clean the internal components with the microfiber cloth to remove any dust. This ensures better airflow and performance. Now, align the new LCD cover with the hinges and press it into place. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Before closing the back panel, double-check all connections. This is crucial for a smooth operation. Finally, replace the back cover and screw it back on. Power on your laptop to ensure everything works perfectly. Remember, for a professional diagnosis without obligation, consider our pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, and you'll receive a quote before repair. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.